Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain determinants problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Let A be a square matrix such that A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A value given 400040004. Then we have to find data of adjoint A. Okay, we have data of adjoint A is equal to data A power n minus 1, where n is order of A. So what is the formula? Data of adjoint A equal to data A power n minus 1. Okay. So our target is data of adjoint A. It will be data A power n minus 1, where n is order of this matrix. So what is given order? 3 by 3, where n is equal to 3. So data A power n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 whole square. This is data A whole square. So let us take equation 1. But what is given? A into adjoint A is equal to, in this 1 4 take out common, it will going to be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is nothing but 4 times of unit matrix, 4 times of I. But we have A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A equal to data A into I, where so what is the formula? A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A equal to data A into I. Okay, we have A into adjoint A value data A into I. It will going to be 4 times of unit matrix. So by cancellation law, I get cancelled. So we get data A is equal to 4. Okay, so our target is data of adjoint A. So from equation 1, data of adjoint A is equal to data A whole square. It will going to be 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16 answer. Okay, moving to next question. Data of A equal to 6 given, where A is order of 3. Then we have to find data of adjoint to A. Okay, we have adjoint of Ka. So it formula k to the power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. Okay, first we have to find adjoint to A value. So adjoint to A is equal to, what is the formula? 2 to the power, where k place in, what is given? Constant 2 given, 2 to the power n minus 1, where n value 3. 2 to the power 3 minus 1 into adjoint of A. So it will going to be 2 square, 4 times of adjoint A. Okay, but our target is, but required is data of adjoint of 2A. Data of adjoint of 2A value we have got 4 times of adjoint A. Okay, we have one formula, data of Ka is equal to k to the power n into data A, where n is order of given matrix. Okay, where constant place in, what is given? 4 given, 4 to the power n into data of adjoint A, where matrix A place in, what is given? Adjoint A given. Adjoint A is one of the matrix. This is the transpose of cofactor matrix. So 4 to the power n into data of adjoint A, 4 to the power n value 3. Data of adjoint A, we have data of adjoint A is equal to data A power n minus 1. Formula for data A power n minus 1. N value 3, 3 minus 1. It will going to be 4 cube into data A value, what is given? 6 given. 6 to the power 2. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. In the statement matrix A given 3 by 3 matrix 9 0 0 0 10 0 0 0 8, then we have to find A inverse. Okay, this is the diagonal matrix. We have direct formula. A is equal to A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C then A inverse is equal to A inverse 0 0 0 B inverse 0 0 0 C inverse. Okay, where A B C values what are given? 9 10 8. Therefore A inverse is equal to 9 inverse 0 0 0 10 inverse 0 0 0 8 inverse. It will becomes 9 inverse is 1 by 9 0 0 0 1 by 10 0 0 0 1 by 8. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. In the statement AB two matrices are given, then we have to find B inverse, A inverse, whole inverse. Okay, we have one formula. PQ whole inverse is equal to Q inverse into P inverse. Okay, so what is required? B inverse into A inverse whole inverse is nothing but where PQ values are B inverse and A inverse. What is the formula? Q inverse into P inverse. Where Q place we should write A inverse whole inverse, and P place write B inverse whole inverse. Okay, so Q inverse B P inverse. It will going to be A inverse whole inverse is nothing but A. B inverse is whole inverse is B. Okay, then we have to find A and B. Product of A and B. 2 2 minus 3 2 and B matrix 0 minus 1 1 0. It will going to be first row multiply with first column 2, first row multiply with the second column minus 2, second row multiply with first column, it will going to be 2, second row second column 3. This is answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 5. If A and B are square matrices of order 3 such that det A det B values are given, then we have to find det of 3AB. Okay, we have one formula, det of KAB is equal to K to the power n into det AB. So K to the power n into det AB formula we have det A into det B, where n is order of A and B. Okay, so in the statement n is equal to 3 given, then we have to find det of 3AB. So what is the formula? Det of KAB is equal K to the power n into det A into det B. In this 3 to the power n into det A into det B, it will going to be 3 to the power n value write 3, det A value minus 1, det B value 3. So it will going to be minus 3 to the power 4 minus 81. Okay, now explain the solution. What is our target? B into B transpose. B into transpose of B is equal to, what is B given? A inverse into A transpose into B. What is B given? A inverse into A transpose whole transpose. So A inverse into transpose of A. So A inverse into A transpose whole transpose. We have one formula, AB PQ whole transpose equal to Q transpose into P transpose. So it will going to be where PQ values are A inverse and A transpose. It will going to be Q transpose, A transpose whole transpose and A inverse whole transpose. It will going to be A inverse into A transpose whole transpose is A inverse whole transpose. It will going to be, so what is given? A transpose into A value, A into A transpose is given. A transpose into A. In place we should write what is given? A into A transpose into A inverse whole transpose. So A inverse into A. We have A inverse into A is I. So it will going to be A transpose into A inverse whole transpose. This is nothing but A inverse into A whole transpose. This is in the form of Q transpose into P transpose. Q transpose into P transpose is PQ whole transpose. So PQ, A inverse into A whole transpose. Okay, this is Q transpose into P transpose. It will going to be PQ whole transpose. So I into A inverse into A is nothing but I transpose is nothing but I. So I into I is nothing but I square is I. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. In the statement A matrix is given, then we have to find A into adjoint A into A inverse of A. So what is our target? A into adjoint A into A inverse into A. Okay, matrix multiplication satisfied associative property. So right, we have AB of C is equal to A of BC. First, BC applying A into adjoint A value, that A into I into A inverse of A. So that A into I into A inverse. I into A inverse is nothing but A inverse of A. This is nothing but that A constant. A inverse into A. A inverse into A. Okay. So that A into A inverse into A is nothing but I. So that A value. First we have to find that A value. So that of A is equal to, so 0 into anything 0. Next minus plus minus plus minus 1 into 2 minus 9 minus 1 plus into minus minus 1 into 4 minus 3. It will going to be, this is 7 minus 1 6. Okay, so that A value 6 into I, it will going to be 6 times of unit matrix. So what is the answer? 600 060 006. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 8. In the statement matrix A given, then we have to find that of adjoint A. Okay, we have adjoint, that of adjoint A is that A power n minus 1 whole square, where n is order of given matrix, order of A. So what is given? Order of A is 3 given. This is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay, it will going to be that A power n minus 1, 3 minus 1 whole square. It will going to be that A power 4. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.